Hi guys, this is the Python series. Now let's discuss about how to read the content from the file using the looping concept. Okay, now we will see the for loop to read the content from the specified file. I am going to use the with statement to open the specified file. With is the keyword and open is the inbuilt method. First parameter is the path. D drive AB is the name of the file, text to file, and the second parameter is the mode, R mode. Okay, now I want to read the content, so I have used the R mode here, and as is the keyword and file object FP. This is the file pointer object name. Okay, whatever you want we give. And now I am going to implement the for loop to read the content from the AB text to file. Okay, for I is the name of the variable in membership operator and file pointer object and colon. Print I. Okay, here this file pointer object holds the address of the specified file. Okay, I have used the counter variable I, and for the first iteration the first line from the file will be copied and stored inside this counter variable that will be printed on our console using the print method. Okay, so this process is going on till the end of the file is reached. Okay, so we can read the full content from the AB text file using the for loop. In the last sessions we have discussed about the read method, read line method, read lines method to read the content from the specified file, isn't it? So in this example we have used the for loop to read the content from the specified file. Okay, here I didn't use the close method. Why? Because here I have used the with statement to open the file. Okay, so there is no need to use the close method to close the specified file. Okay, let me execute this one. God is always with us. Let me check. Open redrive AB text. God is always with us. Okay, now I change this content. Good morning. Welcome to my home. Okay, now I close this one. I again execute the same. Good morning, welcome to my home. So if we want to read the content from the specified file, we can use read line, read lines method. Okay, and we can use the looping concept, that is the for loop, to read the content from the specified file. Okay, I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.